2025 Telstra Best of Business Awards National Indigenous Excellence Award winner is DICE Australia.
Oh my goodness. Congratulations, this is incredible. Please join me here in centre stage. We are so thrilled at this incredible achievement for you. We actually just passed each other in the corridor, and this is no lie. I was like, good evening, and what did you say?
My name's Jeff. No, I don't know what I said, I can't think.
All right, leave the jokes to me, buddy. All right.
I said I would like to be standing next to you very shortly.
He said that, and then you manifested that. That was incredible, and we are so happy for you. I have to ask a couple of official questions. Yes. Gosh, table 4 just keeps on giving. What does winning this award mean to you and your business?
It's just such an incredible honour to be winning this award, and it just actually really helps us to elevate and continue to do what we do, which is try and create opportunities for people and just do what we do best and just empower communities and empower people.
Now, you said we, so it's not just you. Who would you like to thank from your team?
Oh, I'd like to thank my team. However, we were coached today. I need to start with thanking Mum and Dad for giving us a platform or giving me an upbringing that actually leads me to be able to even stand here with you on this stage today. And over on the table 18.
Oh, come on, table 18. I heard you before. You can do better than that.
My beautiful wife is on that table there, and without her support, I could not do what we do. She said she's always beside me. She looks after me and the kids, and if you're not doing what you do, it's impossible for me to do this. I would also like to acknowledge Lindsay O'Hay. He's on the table there as well. He's our general manager, and he pushed us all the way through this process as well. And then there is an incredible team. We have 84 full-time staff at the moment in the Northern Territory team, which is excellent. And it's their passion and giving every day that allows us to do this. And I just feel incredibly honoured to be able to lead them in this.
And you will lead them into the future. What are you most excited about for DICE Australia in the future?
This just gives us such an incredible national platform, just backed by a global brand. So it gives us instant credibility. So we can choose to partner with whoever, help create more businesses, train more people. And Telstra, I forgot to thank Telstra. I really do thank Telstra for this amazing opportunity because, like I said, my goodness. Barb will be very disappointed in me, right?
No one is disappointed. Are you kidding? You're amazing.
No, it's just the platform that it gives you. And I forgot the question.
So did I. Congratulations. Have the most spectacular night.